guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be talking about PC cases, fans and CPU coolers. The PC case, CPU cooler and fans are very important parts of your PC because they determine the way your PC looks, and it also keeps a PC cool, allowing it to perform at its best. Now, when we are buying these parts, we need to make sure we're buying from reputable brands such as NZXT, Corsair and Cooler Master. When buying a CPU cooler, we need to make sure it can fit the socket. So I talked about this in my first video where I talked about CPUs, and they can come in different sockets. So some coolers are only made for certain sockets, so we need to make sure we're checking that. And also for the fans, they can come in different sizes, and that's some cases can only support 120 fans, some can support 140, so we need to make sure we're checking this when we're buying both the case and the fans. When we're buying a case, we need to make sure the graphics card can fit in it. So when you're buying a graphics card, it should say how long it is. And we need to make sure that the case has enough space to fit the GPU. Also, motherboards can come in different sizes, so MATX, ATX and ITX. And we need to make sure that our case can support that motherboard size. Now, some cases might support all three sizes, but some cases might be made specifically for one type of motherboard, such as ITX. That's all for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, subscribe and like. I'll see you guys in the next video.